Eclectic Crafter here again with another little thing to do. I am trying to make a little jacket for my grandniece. And I could just put my unicorn straight on the jacket, but I did cut this out to iron on in place, and it's a little more challenging this way, so I'm hoping I succeed and not ruin her jacket. They don't actually have more in stock, so I hate to ruin it. But first things first, we're gonna heat the jacket up, get the moisture out. I'm trying to do it over the end of my table so that I can keep the hood out of the way. With such a tiny jacket, I probably should have just gotten the ironing board out. I'm a stubborn old lady. And this is a 50-50 jacket, and I treated it because I wanted to be able to put it right on here. But she loves little shiny things. Boo is 7 years old and into everything. Karate, cooking, gymnastics. So far, this is the back of her jacket. We've got this on. And if you look real close, you can see where I had to tape, because I had to use 2 sheets. And for some reason, there's this, I guess that's where I had moved the iron, to fit it. See, there's one there. Not going to be noticeable when it's on their back and it's all crinkled up. And where all these little dots are, they were glimmer spots in the thing. I think I'm going to put rhinestones, because I've got a ton of them. And now I have to pick out the words. I got anxious when to start, and I'm going to use my small iron for that. when you are trimming your cutaway away, you want to make sure that you fold it backwards so that your fabric pulls away. And now I can, with one hand underneath, I can tell that there's no fabric under this. And I don't have to worry about cutting it. I need to trim up the threads a little. You can see the little jump stitch you put in. And then I'll cover this with some iron-on. So, this is my little grandniece's jacket. It'll be ruined the first time she wears it outside. I mean, it's white. I just wanted to do it so bad. But this was my little project. And I spent all day in preparation of this. I mean, I pulled a picture I found on the internet into Photoshop and cleaned it up and enlarged it, added, you know, because you'll get these, even if it's a PNG or whatever, they're low resolution, 72 pixels. That's, you know, small. Excuse me. So one of the first things I do is see if I'm going to be able to switch it out. I think this one, no, this, I was only able to go 300 before it really got bad. I mean, I wanted to enlarge it so much, and I knew that it was going to do some of this. I could have painted it on or done something else, but I wanted to see this. This on the glitter turned out so interesting because this looked like just the white paper with a little bit of color. But then after it's on, look at all the shading that came out. That is exquisite. I did increase the saturation in both of them. I wanted to make sure it gave a good iron-on. I've got little iron-on gems on here. I've had them for probably 15, 20 years. It was a fad at one point. You know, they would be on your jeans, down the leg, that kind of a thing. And these are Swarovski, I can't say that word, crystals. So they're going to always maintain a good glimmer. I didn't put anything on this arm, but on this arm, I have rainbow holographic rainbow HTV. And I showed her my purple glitter. Turned out I didn't have any gold glitter. And the white, of course, blended in, so I didn't offer her that. And I showed her all my little metallics. And then and this one, and this is what she chose. So it says unicorn. And I thought about changing it, you know, and putting, what is it that's so popular right now? Squad. I considered putting squad down this side, but I don't know. You can't overdo it, you know. This had a little ink star. It made me think of Christmas on it. It just slightly shifted. I see that. Darn. And I covered it up with the gold star so that you just see that little bit peeking out. And this, I will probably rub a little Dawn soap in right on that area carefully with like a Q-tip or something. and see if I can get that shadow to come out. It's ghosted on there. Yep, I've just got to figure something out for that. And this is done. Princess Moonbeam. She will love it. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.